Hi there. I wanted to give you some guidance for those of you who may need to fix your Chapter 7 characterization assignment. If you notice in Focus that it states for you to fix, or if you read a comment that it states to fix, or if you just don't like your grade and you want to improve it for this assignment, this would be the way for you to be able to do that. So since it's already gone by, you'll notice it's not in our upcoming assignments panel, which just means you have to go to the Unit 6 folder, which would be the case if you happen to have any work that has gone by. And you'll access the assignment, just scroll down until you get to where it says Chapter 7 Characterization Assignment. Now it does tell you use the Create tab. And for the most part, everyone has done that. A couple people submit it in the comments, and so you do need to fix that. But when you click to submit assignment over here on the side, the box that pops up defaults to upload. You'll just want to go to the Create tab and type your response there. That way you can save it and then submit it when you're ready. So that's how you need to make sure that you do submit it for those of you who haven't. Most of you have done that part correctly though. So if you have submitted and you see that you need to fix, if you click on the assignment here, you'll notice that this person submitted theirs on time. If they were to click on this, they would see my comments. And that way, if there's any feedback that I tried to give you in order to help you, you can read that and then it will allow you to resubmit. But let's talk about what's supposed to be in the assignment, because this is why some of you need to fix. So we're talking about what a character does, what a character says, or what another character says about them. Those are the three ways you learn about characters in a story. For this assignment, we're looking at something a character says. You'll notice that there are some specific things that you are supposed to have. You are supposed to have the quote. So that's number one. You need to have a quote. You need to explain what it is in reference to. You need to mention what it reveals about the character and how you think it will affect the story. So there are 4 things that you should have. 4 things: the quote, what it's in reference to, what it shows, and how you think it will affect the story. I have an example here that you can use as a model for your own. This is an example of a fully developed answer. You'll notice that I also have words in bold, which, as you know, usually mean you can steal them from me. What this will also do is make sure that you have all 4 of those things, because you are going to say the quote, then what it's in reference to, so that's 2, what it reveals, that's 3, and what you believe, that's 4. So if you use this as a model, you'll be sure to have everything you need. And finally, here are the quote choices. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 quote choices by 4 different characters. Now, some of you chose your own quote, but the assignment tells you to pick from one of these 4. And then some of you were mistaking that TJ spoke this quote about Stacy's coat, but that actually happens in a different chapter, and that's not what this is about. So make sure that you read this and use this carefully. It tells you exactly what you need to have and exactly how to get a 100% for that assignment. And again, if you already submitted, if you click on it, it will show you what I wrote. If you haven't, then you'll have the submit button here. And if you have, you'll also be able to resubmit once you look back and work on what needs to be in the assignment. Again, if you don't like your grade, you may improve it. Or if you were instructed to fix, you need to improve it, because right now it's counting as a 0 until you do so.